dude. Shit.
Where's the other light?
It's over there.
By the steps?
Yeah, same spot. Come on.
By the steps.
No. Where you got the other one? I'm mad scared right now, dude.
I say.
Richie, how could you do this?
How could I do what?
How could you leave the door unlocked, bro?
You told me to go see Paul.
I didn't know you were gonna actually leave the door unlocked.
I didn't leave it wide open. I closed it, of course.
What the fuck?
Then when I came back in,
Dude, just check. Can you please check the steps? Please. You left the door unlocked. You have to be the person that checks the steps. Everything was out of her dresser on the floor. And why is it still there if they got everything out of the dresser? Do you have anything, like a knife on you or something?
Oh, yeah, true. Let me just pull out a fucking combat knife out of my boot.
Who knows?
Don't you have a combat knife?
Not up here, no.
You don't have a BB gun?
Oh, yeah, sure, I just have a BB gun.
You used to have one. You shot me with it.
Yeah, that was
schmuck.
What are we gonna do? You are fucking with me right now.
You take a pair of trucks, I'll bash you over there with this fucking Xbox Globe.
Dude, you're messing with me right now.
I'm not, I swear to God.
You're cheap.
I swear.
Alright, can we at least run to the bathroom and see what's in it?
Bro, I really don't want to. You don't understand how scared I am right now.
Richie, please, you can't fall for this. This is retarded. I'm not retarded, Richie, please.
Look, I'm not trying to make you fall for anything. I swear. There's nothing. I didn't plan this. I didn't go, yeah, I'm going to wait for one day for Chris to call me and I'm going to pull the biggest prank of my life on him. There's nothing that I've done. Fucking Paul, I rang Paul's doorbell twice. No one opened the fucking door. The dog was just barking. I come back in, nothing, bro. I come back in, I close the door, I lock it, and I heard nothing.
You swear?
I swear. I swear on my dead father's grave.
Alright, dude, go downstairs, open the door, and just say hello. Can you do that?
I can do that.
Alright, try, please. Oh my god. If he says anything, or it says anything, or she says anything...
If it says anything, I'm out of here.
Just shut the door and run back up the steps, okay?
Alright, I mean, I can't leave you here anyway.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
Oh, let me look for something out of, this fucking arsenal of rock band. That's a lot of shit you got going on here.
Bro, just say hello.
Just say hello. How many people die saying hello to ghosts?
Dude, it's not a ghost.
I want a fucking fighting chance.
A bottle of Lysol, dude? Seriously?
Lysol kills roaches, alright? Shit does heavy duty stuff.
Roaches, bro.
But if it's termites, they're done for.
Just say hello.
Hello?
Just open up the door and say it, Richie. Quick, too. Don't sit there for 15 minutes. Say hello, shut the door, and run back up.
Hello? Oh, you motherfucker.
What was it?
I don't know. I said hello and it stopped.
Yeah, okay.
I swear.
Richie.
I'm not joking. It was like, shh.
Richie, what are we gonna do, dude?
I don't know, man. I don't fucking know. I'm scared shitless right now. If it wasn't so brolic, I'd be shitting my pants. This is not a joke.
This is so funny, dude. You are so stupid.
Me?
Yeah.
What the fuck? What did I do?
I want to have no service at this time of day. Like, I always have service over here.
Let's see if I got service.
Do you have service? Check.
If we got no service, oh, I got full bars.
You do? Do you have AT&T?
Yeah. Hand me your phone. Maybe I'll get full bars in the corner.
No, it never gets service over there. It always gets service over here because the computer. Of course, it takes like an hour to leave it like right there. Alright, it should get service. Come on.
I'm gonna text my mom you'll never believe this. I'm stuck in a house.
Don't say that. She's never gonna let you over here again.
She'll never let me out of my whole house.
Dude, we have to go see what it is. I'm not joking now.
Alright.
Come on, bro. This is stupid.
Oh, let me just listen to some hype. You think there's a joke? Let me just listen to this one. Just serenity.
You're fucking with me, dude. I know it.
I'm not. I swear to God, Chris.
Oh.
Look, dude, if it's an animal, here's what we do. You run at it, I'm gonna tackle it, and then you kick it. Alright?
How is it an animal, bro?
You never know, man. No human's gonna scrub around for an hour. Not even my grandma does that shit. She's a clean freak.
Turn off the music. Come on. We got this, dude. You're going first, so I don't care. Sorry, bro. Come on, help me out. I'm mad sore. Oh my god. Richie, you're so you're so fucked up.
I'm not doing nothing to you.
Alright, Richie, go ahead.
Put some shoes on, because you might have to dip.
I'm not running for you, dude. I'm staying up here.
Fucking bullshit, this thing. It's going with me.
You gonna dip on me, bro?
No, but I ain't pay $60 for nothing. Shit. Tell me you ain't got no tools. What the fuck do you call this? Grab something, you buffoon.
Oh, I forgot about those, dude.
You told me to leave my shoes. You want me to go die at the end?
I swear to God. You're gonna say, Richie, wait, bro. Dude, I'm gonna call my mom. Chill. You wanna rush to the bathroom? Go. Richie, stop.
Nah, I'm not with it. I'm not with it no more. Fuck that shit. Where you at?
Richie, it's my cousin.
You're a kid, I fucking hate you. Next time your house is haunted, I help you.
Richie smiled for the camera, bro. You totally got it pranked, bro. That's so funny.